Welcome to the first episode of Gin Whispering in 2020. Get innovating now with Retico. The theme of this video is reducing energy usage within your machines and your factory environment. CO2 may be invisible, but its impact isn't. Countries around the world have signed up to cut emissions and other greenhouse gases by nearly a third within the next 10 years. That means greater energy efficiency, driven in part by government regulations, is needed. How does this apply to a plant factory floor? Energy consumed within industry and buildings accounts for around 3/4 of the increase in energy demand that we can expect in the future. Running costs for the life of products is becoming more relevant, especially with rising energy prices. Ensuring you are supporting the environment and playing your part by reviewing your energy consumption is becoming more important to you. So where are those quick wins? Replacing older products at the end of their life with lower energy consuming variants is a starting point. LED panel indicators compared to the old BA9 and MBC versions ensures you can save 85% of the electricity used. They're also brighter and last longer. Panel lighting within control panels can be replaced with LED versions. Electronic coils for larger contactors can be overlooked, and the energy savings can be up to 80%. Look to change and also reduce heat sources within your panel. More efficient power supplies can also offer great savings, especially with them being hidden away and powered up all day and for many years. Do you know the efficiency of your power supplies within your panels? Is it 84% or can you get 92% efficiency? Are you heating your panel rather than powering it? Soft starters and variable frequency drives to control direct online applications can offer energy savings of over 50%. Work with our drive specialists to gain more energy efficiencies by reviewing motor speeds for pumps and fans. The last one today is using planetary gearboxes to give you the required torque and speeds needed with smaller motor sizes. Our motion specialists can assist you with your needs. Use Retico to help support your energy reduction questions. If you're looking to replace old panel components or work at the design stage for a new application and want to look at energy savings, choose Retico. Asset life expectancy and energy usage is playing a more important role in total purchase cost calculations. Get in touch with your local Retico sales contact and discuss reducing your energy usage. Subscribe to the Retico YouTube channel today and look out for the next Gin Whispering video. Thank you.